Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at the iZEEKER dash cam for cars. This 1080p Full HD dash camera is loaded with features that make it the best cost-effective option on the market. Setting up and using this dash cam is a breeze, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. With its sleek design and impressive packaging, it also makes for a fantastic holiday gift. The 1080p resolution and 3-inch LCD display ensure that you capture excellent quality footage with reduced blind spots. The included microSD card, auto recording, and loop recording functions make it easy to use and maintain. But what really sets this dash cam apart is its parking mode and G-sensor features. With 2 parking modes supported and automatic and manual emergency recording, you can rest assured that your vehicle is always protected. And let's not forget about the amazing after-sales service. iZEEKER provides enthusiastic customer care personnel who will provide technical support and spare part replacements without any cost at any time. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, user-friendly, and cost-effective dash cam, look no further than the iZEEKER dash cam for cars. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get yours today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations.